Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And somebody posted this on Facebook. Beautiful lady, but they want to know how they got everything else. And this on Facebook, the picture of her face was actually clear. Where everything else, and it almost looks like a square vignette in a way. But they want to know how to make the background fuzzy. And I've already done it. If you look at these two pictures, this is the original and this is a fuzzy one. It's not perfect, and some of the experts are going to kind of question my way to do this. And I'm going to leave out, well, I'm not going to leave out any of the steps, but then, so I took the original and I traced it. Took a little while because there's a lot in there. And then I just ungrouped it and I deleted everything but the car. And I used the boundary tool, and the boundary tool made this mess. But it's a good mess, because now we can take it and move it over here and go to your contour tool. And it took a little time, so I'm not going to make you drag through that, but I took the boundary and made a contour at 0.02. Then so here's my contour, and what the contour did, got to go and break the contour apart. The contour won't allow itself to get into those little spots, as you can see, all these little facets. So the contour still stayed away from there. But now we can take that and contour to the inside, 0.02, and we get that. Go up to Object, break the contour apart, take our inside contour. Now we need to, I've nudged everything so I don't have to worry about it. These two pictures are the same. I'm actually going to fill this in with black and nudge it over in front of that car. Now I'm going to select both these. I'm going to go front minus back, and it left me a hole where my car is. And I didn't take a lot of time. You could take a little more time. Then if you go to Effects and Blur and use this blur right here, or any blur will work. Look at the blur. Maybe it's a little bit much. We'll take it back some. Say okay. Nudge it back to your car. And because it was on the front of the layer, look at that. Look at the difference between the two. Where that, I think that says O'Reilly's. Now, and you can't even see the man with the hat on. Now, this isn't going to work in every situation. And I'm going to try to look, I think there's now a square vignette that would maybe help with this. But it's still not going to blur out this stuff that's directly behind her. Little fun project. Hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.